So guys, meron akong challenge para sa inyo, para sa tricep natin. Okay, so gamit lang tayo, dumbbells, and then syempre yung mat natin. Dalawang body weight na exercise, then dalawang with dumbbells. Tara. So first workout natin guys is like this. So reverse skull crusher to guys ha. So like this. 1, 2, take to 12 lang. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Shake your arms, hinga ng konti. Next natin is kneeling push-ups tayo guys. So 12 times lang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Next natin is kunin yung dumbbells. Then higa tayo guys. Lie down on your mat. Skull crushers tayo. Sa side of your ears ang baba. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, relax. Now, guys, bitawan niyo yung isang dumbbell. Pagay niyo muna sa side. Then, hawak tong isa. Overhead tayo. Up. 1, 2, 3. Stomach in. Close your elbow. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay. So yun guys, ramdam na ramdam siya sa tricep natin. Kung medyo sagi yung tricep nyo and you want to work out the tricep, sundan nyo lang yung routine na yon. Kahit nasa bahay lang kayo, pwedeng pwede nyong gawin. So yun lang.